Okay, on this problem, we're going to look at setting up an algebraic expression. So this is one of those where we have to basically take the words, translate it into an expression. So let's just start with Manuel's age. Now, as often as I can, I like to use a variable that makes sense with the problem so that I remember what it stands for at the end. So I'm going to put M for Manuel and N for Nico, okay? So Manuel's age is, well, I don't know Manuel's age, so I'm just going to put a M for Manuel. Okay, what does is mean in math? Well, it means equals. Okay, next, 8 years less than. So if it's 8 years less, that means I've got to subtract an 8, and I'm going to just do that at the end. I could have put it at the beginning, that would have been fine, but I'm just going to throw that on at the end. So 8 years less than, and then twice Nico's age. Well, if I need twice Nico's age, I've got to go 2 times Nico. All right, so it'll be M equals 2N minus 8. Now, another habit I like to be in when I read a problem, I want to make sure to read the whole thing. Well, I just saw this. If we let Z represent Nico's age, write an algebraic expression, so we better put the Z in place of the N there. So when we put our final answer, we can put 2Z minus 8. And that will be, represent what Manuel's age will be.